Hey, this is Source Cricket, and today we are going to discuss and talk about the very common quotes and their intent behind the content that we usually hear in our daily life. So if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to comment and like the video. So now let's begin. So number 1, always take an action but do not expect for the result. Yes, here what does this action mean? The action must be in favor with the other people. It should not harm other people, and you should not do something in opposition with other people. When you do something for the good or for the betterment of other people, you need not worry about the result. The result will itself follow you and give you a more better result than you could have expected from the task. And the quote is stated by Sri Krishna in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And without any delay, let's see the second quote. The second quote means an educated person is always respected, and this quote is stated by Chanakya Niti. And what does this quote means? The quote means that always an educated person is respected in our society. Educated. But here educated does not mean the one who hold a degree certificate, who went to lots of colleges, lots of institutions, university, school, etc. Here educated means the one who have good quality, like an attitude, like a behavior, like discipline, respectful, gratefulness, etc. So such types of person are always respected in a society. I think you could have experienced this in your society too. There are so many people who are uneducated by the certificate, but they are very much respected in their society. They got lots of respect from their elder. This is the power of educations. Education not from the certificate, but educations in the quality of mindset. Now let's see the third quote, and the third quote is also stated by Chanakya Niti, and the quote is, never make a friend with the people who are above or below your status. Doing this so will make you unhappy, or you will not be happy if you do it so. But usually a successful people always told us to surround yourself or ourselves with a successful people, so that only we will be able to success in our life. But here Chanakya Niti stated almost opposite. But what is the reason? What is behind this quote? The actual definition of this quote is not that what you are thinking now. The actual definition is that whenever you make a friendship with the people who are below or above your status, you must not compare yourself with those people. If you start comparing yourself with those people, you are not going to be happy. So stop comparing from today itself. If you have a friendship with a people who are below your status and otherwise above your status. So this is what Chanakya Niti mean in this quote. And the fourth quote is also stated by Chanakya Niti. The quote is, straight trees are always cut first, and two honest people are always screwed first. What does he mean in this quote? He means that the person who is too honest, means to be too honest means to be stupid. Too honest means thinking for the betterment of other before ourselves. So as the statement that if you are not there to help yourself, nobody else in this world can help you to help yourself. Come on, one more time. If you are not there to help yourself, nobody else in this world can help you to help yourself. That means that you need to help yourself at first, then later think for the others, for the betterment of others. If you do so, you will be able to help others. If you don't help yourself, then you will not be able to help others too, and you will also be unhelped by others. What did the flight attendants say in the aeroplanes? They asked you to use the oxygen at first and then help for others in case of emergency. So this means that if you are not able to help yourself, you are not able to help to others. So always be wise, be honest, but don't be stupid. Stupid enough to be honest. Too much honest means stupid. For example, two men are going on a jungle and suddenly a tiger comes. What happened there? If the first person tried to save the second person before he could save himself, surely both of them will not be able to save their life. But if the first person could save himself and later he tried to save his friend, he would have saved his friend. So this is the proof of this statement. This is all about in this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell, like the video and comment below. And share with all your friends. Whoever doesn't know the intent behind all these types of usually commonly used quotes. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, take care, bye. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Inspire me and help me to build up the channel. Thank you.